Do you want to keep your clothes organized with a functional and stylish laundry basket? In this video, we present laundry hampers offering generous capacity, sturdy construction, and easy handling. All the links are available in the description below. For efficient storage, it is important to choose a laundry basket that fits your space and your needs. We have selected the 3 best laundry hampers on the market. Press the like button and subscribe for more home and organization comparisons. Here are the 3 best laundry baskets, from the most affordable model to the most high-end option. First, the JMvicyroam 60 liters laundry hamper combines practical storage with modern home decor. Crafted from natural hand-woven cotton rope, this extra-large basket offers a soft yet durable structure that is safe for children and pets, with no harsh plastics or chemicals. Its minimalist white and brown design blends seamlessly into bedrooms, living rooms, or nurseries, adding a warm and elegant touch to any space. With a generous capacity, it easily stores blankets, pillows, comforters, toys, or laundry, helping keep your home organized and clutter-free. Reinforced, soft handles provide a comfortable grip for easy transport, while the collapsible design allows convenient storage when not in use. Machine washable for simple care, this versatile basket delivers both style and functionality for everyday living. Next, the 105-liter Lifewit laundry basket was designed to provide a functional and durable solution for managing dirty clothes every day. Its large capacity allows you to store clothing, towels, and bed sheets in one place, making organization easier. The sturdy materials ensure excellent durability, even with frequent use. The removable inner bag simplifies transporting laundry and makes maintenance more convenient. The lid helps maintain a clean and tidy interior. Thanks to its strong handles and stable structure, the Lifewit laundry hamper can be moved easily from one room to another. Its simple and elegant design fits well in many spaces, making the Lifewit laundry basket a reliable and practical choice for daily use. Finally, the 150-liter Songmics laundry hamper was created to offer optimal organization, thanks to its large capacity and integrated sorting system. The 3 compartments save time on laundry day by allowing you to separate clothes by color right away. The bamboo frame adds a natural and elegant touch while ensuring excellent sturdiness. The machine-washable inner bag makes cleaning easier and helps keep laundry fresh. The lid provides a neat finish and contributes to a clean-looking interior. With its sturdy handles, the Songmics laundry basket is easy to move, even when full. Spacious, practical, and attractive, the Songmics laundry hamper is an ideal solution for efficient and well-organized laundry management. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.